Hello. So given x as sum of the cubes of n natural numbers, now they are asking which equality holds. So this is a classical question of testing the understanding of the definitions of the big O, theta and omega notations. So as we know, the sum of the cubes of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now that is when you ignore all the lower order terms, then you will get n power 4. Okay, so now as we know that n power 4 is less than or equal to n power 4, as well as n power 4 is less than or equal to n power 5, we can represent with a big O notation. As we know that f of n is less than or equal to c into g of n. For all n greater than or equal to 1, we can say that as f of n as big O of g of n. So now from that we can say that n power 4 is as big O of n power 4, big O of n power 5 and big O of n power 6, so on. Now similarly, from the omega definition, we can say that f of n is greater than or equal to c into g of n. So n power 4 is greater than or equal to n power 4, n power 4 is greater than or equal to n cube, n power 4 is greater than or equal to n square. From that we can say that as omega of n power 4, omega of n cube, omega of n square, so on. Now we can say the tighter bound when it is equal to both big O as well as omega. So that's why we can say the tighter bound as theta of n power 4. So from this we can say that except 2 all holds. That is, we can say it as theta of n power 4 and big O of n power 5 and omega of n cube. We cannot say it as theta of n power 5 because omega of n power 5 does not hold, because n power 4 is not greater than or equal to n power 5. Okay, so the C option is correct.